These days, we end up watching countless videos, webinars and lectures to learn, refine knowledge, and gain a professional edge. So much knowledge and so little time to consume. Long videos are boring, hard to stay attentive. And what if you need to revise, rewatch the whole video? So, you end up watching videos at 2x? But then at breakneck speed. You can't take notes, and tough to extract deep insights. Now, there is a better and truly efficient solution. Introducing Vizle. A revolutionary solution designed to instantly provide the gist of the entire video through concise slides. Simply visit vizle.offnote.co. Enter your video URL. Hit convert, and voila! Within seconds, you get easily readable slides capturing all the key moments as beautiful snapshots. Vizle also captures the transcript side by side with snaps. Easily search and find the keywords, thoughts, and moments. Jump to what you need instantly, avoid rewatching the whole video. What's more? Download the video PDF file, take it away, revisit anytime. Vizle will sharply boost your learning speed while taking your efficiency to the next level. Build your private video collection starting today. Be part of our early users community and get lifelong benefits. Try Vizle for free today.